Hello everyone! Welcome to EcoArts class, where we always learn something cool about the planet and we make an awesome art project together. I'm Miss Rachel, your EcoArts teacher, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite states in the whole United States of America. Can you guess what it is? It's California. That's right, the Golden State. Beautiful coastlines, epic mountain ranges, and massive trees are just some of the reasons why California is so special. Do you live in California? Okay, so you may not know this, but each state has its own unique and special symbols. A symbol is a mark, a sign, or a word that represents an idea, an object, or a relationship. People created symbols for different states to represent the culture and the natural wonders unique to each state. Today we are going to be drawing a California quail, which is one of my favorite birds. Just look how cute he is. The California quail is officially the state bird, and I can see why. They have short necks, wide wings, and a long square tail. These birds have a cluster of overlapping feathers on top of their small heads that curl around to a U shape. How cool is that? Oh, and we're also going to be drawing some of my favorite flowers today, the California poppy. Behold the state's official flower, the California Golden Poppy. The plant's bright orange flowers are an unmatched symbol of the Golden State of California. Perhaps the flowers represent the field of gold that was sought after during the gold rush. I'm so happy to be in California and to honor this bird and the state's flowers by drawing it with you guys. Are you ready to get started? Okay, grab your art supplies and let's go! For this art project, you will need regular drawing paper, a pencil and eraser, a black marker, colored markers, and crayons. Pause this video now if you need to grab some supplies. Okay, now to start, I'm going to draw with my black marker so you can see it, but you can start with your pencil and then trace over it with a black marker later. I'm going to draw a banner at the bottom of my drawing. A banner is typically a long strip of cloth with something written on it. So let's draw a long curved line at the bottom of our page with another curved line right below that. Then I'll connect those two lines with two vertical lines. Vertical lines go up and down like this. Now, in the middle of my vertical line, I'll draw a horizontal line. Horizontal lines go back and forth, like this. And in between my horizontal lines, I'll draw a sideways V shape to finish the banner. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Horizontal lines and sideways V. Great! Now, inside my banner, I'm going to write the word California. California is spelled C-A-L-I-F-O-R-N-I-A. You can write your name or another word if you really want to. There we go, that's awesome. I like to add little curly cues on my letters just to make them look more fun and fancy. So there's my banner. Now it's time to draw our quail. So let's draw a big J shape in the middle of your page above the banner. This will be the body. Then draw a little triangular tail coming from the side like this. Next, draw an upside down U shape on top of the body for the head. And draw a curved line back down to finish the body. Awesome! And now let's make the markings on the quail's face. Draw a long curved line coming down the top middle of the head like this. Then draw another long curved line coming up the head like this. And make a black circle for the eye with a tiny circle inside that you'll leave white. Great job! Now a triangle for the beak coming out of the head like this. Then for the plume of feathers on the quail's head, draw a curved line with a small U shape and another curved line back down to the head. Yay! The plume of feathers is my favorite part. I'll draw a small line to close off the black part of the quail's head. Now I'll draw a curved line in the middle of the body. The area above this space will be colored in blue later. Now we'll need another small J shape for the wing. And we'll draw the legs and feet like this. Great! To draw the quail's unique markings, I'll draw circles underneath the head like this. In the front of the body, I'll draw the U shape over and over again in a repeating pattern. For the back of the body, I'll draw a V shape with a repeating pattern, over and over again like this. Add a couple lines in the tail, and there's our quail! Yay! Now you can color it in. Follow along with me for the quail's colors, or choose your own funky colors for the quail. To color inside the lines, try coloring around the inside of your area first. Just in a little line like this. Then carefully you can color in the rest of the section, like this. This is one way you can get a nice even color without scribbling. Go ahead and color in your California banner, whichever color you'd like. Great! Now let's draw some California poppies. With your orange marker, draw just the flowers in different spots of your page. You can make a poppy by drawing a bunch of curved triangles right next to each other. We will color these in with crayons later. Then take your green marker and draw long skinny lines for the stems, coming all the way down to the banner, and maybe even out the other side. Awesome! You can make leaves by drawing a horizontal line with tiny zigzags on them. Just like this. Cool. So once you've done that, grab some crayons, the brighter the better. Color the poppies with yellow and orange. Then go over your green stems with a bright green crayon. Don't worry about going outside of the lines with the stems. In this case, it actually looks really cool when we can see the crayon outside of the marker. There we go. And now we have our beautiful state bird and the golden poppies behind it. Yay! Thank you guys so much for drawing this California quail with me. This was so fun. I want to see what you guys made. Please email me at heyparachute@gmail.com. Alright, I'm about to get outside and try to find some golden poppies and California quails. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.